Active inhale and exhale benefits. Stretches the back muscles, tones intercostal muscles in the rib cage, increases oxygen capacity in the lungs.
Inhale, arms up, look at your thumbs, and exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up, gaze on your thumbs, exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up, gaze on your thumbs, exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, arms down. Neutralize and relax.
Chair pose benefits. Strengthens and tones thigh muscles, elongates the spine, stretches the back muscles, restores the natural curvature of the spine.
For chair pose, we have to go into a squatted position. So bring your arms alongside your body, and now you're just going to go into a squatted position. The mistake she's making is that her knees are going beyond her toes. Now this is going to hurt her knees, so she has to shift the weight slightly back so the knees do not go beyond her toes. And from here, she can rise back up. So inhale and bring your arms up, parallel to the ground, and move into squatted position. Tilt your tailbone in and rise back up. And bring your arms down. So we'll make it a continuous movement. As you move down, you take your arms up. Tilt your tailbone in and rise back up.
Chair twist benefits. Increases mobility in the back, relieves pain, strengthens the knees, relaxes the mind.
Sit on the edge of the chair. Take a block and place it in between your knees. Hold the block with the knees. Keep the knees active as you rotate your upper body towards the left side. Hold it for 3 breaths. Come to neutral position. Repeat this on the other side.
Child pose benefits. Stretches hips, thighs, back and ankles. Reduces stress, promotes flexibility, helps circulation, allows transverse nerves more space.
She can keep her arms up and keep a nice stretch here. And now you can breathe. You can see she will breathe with her diaphragm and raise her back. This allows the spine to relax even more and open up. So she's shifting the shape through her diaphragm.
Forward bend benefits. Relieves nerve tension, stretches large back muscle group and spine, relaxes the mind.
Take a cushion on top of your thighs. Place your feet apart and now roll over the cushion as you start hanging. You may not be able to touch the ground initially, but with practice, once you've touched the ground, stay there. If you want to move more, you can hold the front legs of the chair. To come out, slowly walk up and roll up. Neutralize and relax.
Hip circles benefits. Increases blood circulation in the hips and lower spine. Increases mobility in the lower spine.
Bring your hands on your hips, and now you're going to circle your hips as if you're pushing your hips out of your body. You circle them, pushing front, sides, back. Repeat the circles the other way around. Come to a neutral position and relax.
Monkey stretch benefits. Increases mobility in the spine, strengthens core muscles, tones the waistline, removes accumulated lymphatic fluid.
You're going to stretch side to side, lifting one arm and controlling the stretch. Go as far as you can with your arm and your stretch. Keep moving side to side, left and right. Keep breathing. Neutralize and relax.
Neck stretches benefits. Strengthens the cervical spine, strengthens the muscles in the neck, helps posture correction, releases tension.
Lift the left arm up at shoulder height and tilt the head towards the right side. Slowly lower the left arm down, feeling the stretch in your neck. Repeat on the other side by lifting the right arm up at shoulder height, tilt the head towards the left, and slowly lower the arm down, feeling that extra stretch in the neck. Neutralize and relax.
Posture corrector benefits. Helps control posture, strengthens foot ligaments and joints, helps mobility of ankles.
Stand straight. Neutralize your position, relax your body, shift your weight forward. Using your feet, control and shift the weight backwards. Move the weight on the outer side of the feet. Now press the arches of the feet into the ground.
Reverse corpse benefits. Relaxes the lower spine, assists in strengthening the diaphragm.
Place a pillow under your belly button and slowly lie down onto the floor. Relax your arms, head, chest, legs on the floor while your navel is on top of the pillow. Take 9 breaths. To come out of the position, put all the weight in your hands, lift your upper body.
Single leg stand benefits. Improves balance, increases bone density, prevents hip injuries.
Place your hands on your hips for balance and lift the right leg up. Try and balance yourself on the left leg and rotate the ankle of the right leg. If you're unable to do this, take the help of a chair. Lift the left leg up as you balance yourself on the right leg and rotate the left ankle. Rotate them in both directions. Neutralize and relax.
Tailbone Tilts benefits. Releases nerve pressure in the lower back. Improves hip mobility.
Take a step back with the right leg, bend both knees in and hold your hip with both hands. Scoop the hip up and release. Scoop the hip up and release. Using the glute muscle, scoop it up and release. Scoop it up and release. Repeat this on the other side.
Torso twist benefits. Conditions the thoracic and lumbar spine. Increases mobility in spine. Tones the waistline.
Place your feet hip distance apart. Bring your arms parallel to the ground and start twisting the upper body side to side. You may want to just bend one arm and keep the other arm straight. Keep twisting left and right. Keeping the hips in front, just the upper body movement. Neutralize and relax.
Warrior 3 prep benefits. Strengthens the glutes and supports the lower back. Tones hips and back muscles. Improves balance.
Interlace your fingers except your index finger, making Ali Mudra. Lift the arms up as you push your leg back. Feel the tightening in the glute. And lower and neutralize. Repeat this on the left leg. Stand straight, neutralize your position, relax your body, and form an intention to start your practice. Shift your weight forward, using your feet, control, and shift the weight backwards. Shift the weight forward, you can lift your heels if you need to. Shift the weight backwards, lifting your toes slightly. Shift the weight forward, shift the weight backwards. Move the weight on the outer side of the feet. Now press the arches of the feet into the ground. Again, press the outside of the feet into the ground and slowly press the arches of the feet. Now the outside again, and now the arches. Neutralize and relax. Inhale up, arms up, and exhale with arms down. Inhale, arms up, look at your thumbs, and exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up, gaze on your thumbs, exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up, gaze on your thumbs, exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, arms down. Neutralize and relax. Lift the left arm up at shoulder height and tilt the head towards the right side. Slowly lower the left arm down, feeling the stretch in your neck. Repeat on the other side by lifting the right arm up at shoulder height, tilt the head towards the left, and slowly lower the arm down, feeling that extra stretch in the neck. Neutralize and relax. Place your feet hip distance apart. Bring your arms parallel to the ground and start twisting the upper body side to side. You may want to just bend one arm and keep the other arm straight. Keep twisting left and right, keeping the hips in front, just the upper body movement. Neutralize and relax. You're going to stretch side to side, lifting one arm and controlling the stretch. Go as far as you can with your arm and your stretch. Keep moving side to side, left and right. Keep breathing. Last one. Neutralize and relax. Bring your hands on your hips, and now you're going to circle your hips as if you're pushing your hips out of your body. You circle them, pushing front, sides, back. Repeat the circles the other way around. Come to a neutral position. Bring your hands to your heart and move into a seated position. Place your hands on your thighs and roll back up very gently. Bring your hands to your heart and move into a chair position. As you roll up, be gentle with your spine, one vertebra at a time. Bring your hands to your heart, move into a seated position. Bring your hands on your thighs and roll your spine up very gently. Neutralize and relax. Place your hands on your hips for balance and lift the right leg up. Try and balance yourself on the left leg and rotate the ankle of the right leg. If you're unable to do this, take the help of a chair. Lift the left leg up as you balance yourself on the right leg and rotate the left ankle. Rotate them in both directions. Neutralize and relax. Interlace your fingers except your index finger, making Kali Mudra. Lift the arms up as you push your leg back. Again, bring your arms up and push your leg back. Feel the tightening in the glute. Lift the arms up and push the leg back. Last one, lift the arms up and lift the leg backwards. Repeat this on the left leg. Lift the arms up and lift the left leg. As you lift your arms up, lift the leg. Tighten the glute as the leg comes at the back. Inhale as you bring your arms up and exhale as you bring your arms down. And lower and neutralize. Take a step back with the right leg, bend both knees in and hold your hip with both hands. Scoop the hip up and release. Scoop the hip up and release. Using the glute muscle, scoop it up and release. Scoop it up and release. Repeat this on the other side. Take a step back with the left leg. Bend both knees, lifting the back heel. Hold your hip with both hands and start scooping up and release. Scoop up with the hip and release. Scoop up with the hip and release. Scoop up, release, scoop up and release. Bring the feet together, neutralize and relax. Sit on the edge of the chair. Take a block and place it in between your knees. Hold the block with the knees. Keep the knees active as you rotate your upper body towards the left side. Hold it for 3 breaths. Come to neutral position and rotate towards the right side. And come back to neutral position. Neutralize and relax. Take a cushion on top of your thighs. Place your feet apart and now roll over the cushion as you start hanging. You may not be able to touch the ground initially, but with practice, once you've touched the ground, stay there. If you want to move more, you can hold the front legs of the chair. To come out, slowly walk up and roll up. Neutralize and relax. Place a pillow under your belly button and slowly lie down onto the floor. Relax your arms, head, chest, legs on the floor while your navel is on top of the pillow. Take 9 breaths. To come out of the position, put all the weight in your hands, lift your upper body, and now move up with your knees and take the pillow out of the position and move into child's pose. Keep the knees together and breathe into your back. Come out of the position and move into Shavasana. You may want to keep the pillow underneath both legs or just one leg. Bring your arms up and just relax. From here, you're going to start relaxing all your muscles and joints. Relaxing the joints first, relaxing the toes, relaxing the ankle, the knees, the hip joints, the joints in your spine, lower spine, mid spine, upper spine, your neck. Start relaxing your shoulders, the shoulder girdle, the joints on your elbows, your wrist joints, and your fingers. Keep relaxing. In this position, you may want to change the legs if you get tired. If not, stay in this position and just relax. Start relaxing your muscles, the large major muscles, shins and calves. Relax the thighs and hamstrings. Relaxing your stomach area, your back muscles, your shoulders and arms, and your hands. If you feel any pain in your back, try to concentrate on that area and relax that area even more. Try to be gentle with the pain or inflammation. Acknowledge it and pacify it by agreeing that you are working to relieve the pain. You may continue with the relaxation.
Cat and cow pose benefits: releases back muscle tension, relaxes the nervous system, strengthens the abdominal muscles, brings flexibility in the entire spine.
So we will be demonstrating a cat and cow posture. Come into all fours, place yourself in a stable position. You're going to dip your waist down and look up. Here you can see there's a curve in the back. You're going to reverse this curve by pushing your stomach muscles up, head down as far as you can go, tilting your tailbone in. Again, lower it. Here you're going to breathe as the chest is open. Inhale and exhale, pushing your stomach muscles up and rounding your back and tilting your tailbone. So this is what our cat pose is.
Crocodile pose benefits. Brings mobility in the spine and hips, relaxes the spine, lengthens the abdominal muscles, supports the eliminatory urinary system. Lying on your back with your arms stretched at shoulder height. Rest the heel of your right foot on the toes of your left foot. Inhale, twist your hips and legs to the left. Exhale and relax. Repeat on the other side by resting the heel of your left foot on the toes of your right foot. Twist your hips to the right. Exhale and relax. Dynamic bridge benefits. Increases blood and oxygen in the back and glute muscle strengthening, activates endocrine glands, improves lung capacity. Lift your arms straight towards the sky. Push your hips up as you take your arms behind your head. Bring your arms back to starting position as you release your hips. Repeat for 6 times. Bring your arms parallel. Just relax. Floor press benefits. Elongates the lower vertebra of the spine, supports self-healing, activates abdominal muscles. Take a deep breath and exhale while pressing the spine against the floor. Activate the abdominal muscles. Your tailbone will lift and gently release and relax. Again, try and feel the arch underneath the back, which is to be finished, and then you're going to press your abdominal muscles, letting the spine press against the floor, taking the chin towards the neck. Feel the elongation of the spine and gently relax. Again, activate the abdominal muscles, press the entire spine against the floor, tailbone raises, chin goes into the neck, feel the elongation of the entire spine, and gently release and relax. Hamstring stretch benefits. Releases hamstring strain, supports natural curve of the spine, supports self-healing. You're going to bring the right knee in towards your chest and now take a strap and bring it around your foot. Hold the strap with both hands and straighten your leg. Now bend the leg and straighten again. Bend the leg and straighten and go as far as you can comfortably and not injuring your hamstring. Hold the strap with one hand, this is the right hand, and move your leg towards the right side on the outer side of the body. And now bring it back in. Release and take the strap off the foot. We will repeat on the left side. Knee bending benefits. Relieves tension in the hips and lower back. Elongates deep lower back muscles, the sacral area. Cultivates the natural curve of the spine. Brings flexibility in the ankles. Bring your right knee towards the middle of the chest and hold with both hands. Pull the leg comfortably into your chest. Start rotating your ankle in both directions, making circles. Bring the right knee in now and lift your head as if you're bringing the forehead and the knee together. Lateral tree pose benefits. Increases circulation in the hips, opens the hip joint, releases digestive tension. Bend your left leg and bring it towards the outside. Take your arms on your stomach and breathe through your abdomen. Inhale, let your stomach expand, and exhale as your stomach falls in. Bend both legs, straighten your left leg out and bend your right leg towards the outside. Stay calm, inhale into your abdomen and exhale gently as your abdomen goes in. Form the intention to start your practice. Staying very relaxed, bend both knees and bring your arms alongside your body. Squat balance benefits. Increases flexibility in the hips and ankles, cultivates balance, improves circulation, hydrates the spine. For squat, bring your feet apart and the soles on the floor. Put your hands together in a praying position. Bend your elbows so they touch the insides of your knees. Press your knees outwards with your elbows and raise your head. Modification is on the screen. Feel the lengthening of your back and relax. Stick pose benefits. Tones back muscles, stretches the core muscles, slims the waist. Lie on your back and bring your arms over your head. Stretch your right arm and your right leg and release gently. Now you stretch your left arm and left leg and release gently. Repeat for the second time on the right side. Release gently as you stretch the left side and release gently. Stretch the right side for the third time and release gently. Stretch the left side and release gently. Bring your arms alongside your body and relax. Tiger stretch benefits. Traction for the lower back, lengthens the lower back muscles. Come onto your knees and hands. You're going to lift your right leg up, parallel to your body. Keep your head in a neutral position. Hold the stretch and keep breathing. Release by placing the leg back and moving into child's pose. Stretch your arms out and bring your forehead towards the ground. Make sure your hips are actually on your feet. If you're unable to do so, just do as much as you can. Lie on your back and bring your arms over your head. Stretch your right arm and your right leg and release gently. Now you stretch your left arm and left leg and release gently. Repeat for the second time on the right side. Release gently as you stretch the left side and release gently. Stretch the right side for the third time and release gently. Stretch the left side and release gently. Bring your arms alongside your body and relax. Bend your left leg and bring it towards the outside. Take your arms on your stomach and breathe through your abdomen. Inhale, let your stomach expand, and exhale as your stomach falls in. Bend both legs, straighten your left leg out and bend your right leg towards the outside. Stay calm, inhale into your abdomen and exhale gently as your abdomen goes in. Form the intention to start your practice. Staying very relaxed, bend both knees and bring your arms alongside your body. Take a deep breath and exhale while pressing the spine against the floor. Activate the abdominal muscles. Your tailbone will lift and gently release and relax. Again, try and feel the arch underneath the back, which is to be finished, and then you're going to press your abdominal muscles, letting the spine press against the floor, taking the chin towards the neck. Feel the elongation of the spine and gently relax. Again, activate the abdominal muscles, press the entire spine against the floor, tailbone raises, chin goes into the neck, feel the elongation of the entire spine, and gently release and relax. Lift your arms straight towards the sky. Push your hips up as you take your arms behind your head. Bring your arms back to starting position as you release your hips. Repeat for 6 times. Make sure you don't bring your weight into your neck. Keep repeating by lifting your hips, taking your arms back, and releasing your hips and bringing your arms straight up. Bring your arms parallel. Just relax. Bring your right knee towards the middle of the chest and hold with both hands. Pull the leg comfortably into your chest. Start rotating your ankle in both directions, making circles. Release and repeat on the left side. Hold the leg with your thigh and bring it towards the middle of the chest as you circle the ankle. Keep the upper body relaxed. For the second time, bring the knee in. Pull the knee in as much as you can, feeling release of tension in the lower back. Bring the left leg in, straight into the middle of the chest and not towards the side as you relax the ankle as well. Bring the right knee in now and lift your head as if you're bringing the forehead and the knee together, and release. Proceed with the left leg. As you bring the leg in, lift your head. Imagine your forehead touching your knee. You don't have to make it touch. Just release and relax. You're going to bring the right knee in towards your chest and now take a strap and bring it around your foot. Hold the strap with both hands and straighten your leg. Now bend the leg and straighten again. Bend the leg and straighten and go as far as you can comfortably and not injuring your hamstring. Hold the strap with one hand, this is the right hand, and move your leg towards the right side on the outer side of the body.
and now bring it back in. Release and take the strap off the foot. We will repeat on the left side. Bring the knee in to start off and take the strap, wrap it around the left leg. Hold the strap with both hands as you're going to bend the knee and then straighten it. Go as far as you can to relax the hamstring, bend and straighten. Bend and straighten. Keep the foot flexed. Now hold the strap with the left hand. Wrap the strap around your hand and have a firm hold as you move the leg on the outer side, the left side. Be gentle and go as far as you can gently and bring the leg back in. Bend the knee and undo the string and relax.
Lying on your back with your arms stretched at shoulder height. Rest the heel of your right foot on the toes of your left foot. Inhale, twist your hips and legs to the left. Exhale and relax. Repeat on the other side by resting the heel of your left foot on the toes of your right foot. Twist your hips to the right. Exhale and relax. Come onto your knees and hands. You're going to lift your right leg up, parallel to your body. Keep your head in a neutral position. Hold the stretch and keep breathing. Release by placing the leg back and moving into child's pose. Stretch your arms out and bring your forehead towards the ground. Make sure your hips are actually on your feet. If you're unable to do so, just do as much as you can. Come back on your knees and hands and lift the left leg up. Keep holding, don't let your head tilt down. Keep holding your leg and your head. Stay stable and breathe. Release by bringing your knee into starting position and moving into child's pose. With hands and knees parallel and apart, inhale, look up, arch your back inwards, and as you exhale, bend your head down and look at your thighs. Repeating 5 times. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, look towards your thighs as you arch your back. Inhale up. Exhale, round your back, pushing your abdominal muscles in. Inhale up. Exhale, push your stomach muscles in as you round your back. Release into child's pose. Relax in child's pose and move your palms towards the sky. Bring your feet apart and the soles on the floor. Put your hands together in a praying position. Bend your elbows so they touch the insides of your knees. Press your knees outwards with your elbows and raise your head. Modification is on the screen. Feel the lengthening of your back and relax. Lie on your back with your feet up. Take a block and bring it in between your knees. Relax the entire body as you squeeze the knees together and release. Press and release. Press and release. And relax as you take the block out. Continue with your relaxation. Keep your arms parallel to your body, relaxing all the muscles in your body. Take a deep breath into your stomach. Let the stomach swell up. Hold and release the breath. Breathe normally. Again, take a deep breath. Fill your stomach and hold your breath. Exhale gently and slowly. Breathe normally. Stay very relaxed and calm. Imagine your joints, all the joints in your body. They're relaxing. Joints in your feet, joints in your ankles, your knees, your hips, joints in your spine, lower spine, middle spine, your neck, your shoulder joints, your elbows, your hands. Relax them all. Stay relaxed and calm yourself down. This is your time. You can continue relaxation. You may continue with the relaxation.
Bird wings benefits. Brings suppleness in the shoulders, upper back and arms. Increases shoulder girdle mobility.
Interlace your fingers and bring them at chest level. Raise your right elbow and lower. Left elbow and lower. And relax.
Cross-legged spinal twist benefits. Increases flexibility of the spine, releases back tension, benefits functioning of adrenal glands, kidneys and the abdominal region. Cultivates calmness and serenity.
Stretch your spine straight up and take your left arm as far behind as you can. Bring your right arm on the left knee. Look as far as you can comfortably without straining your neck. Work with your left shoulder, pushing it as far back as you can. Repeat on the other side. Twist towards the right side, taking your right arm as far back as you can. You do not have to strain your neck here. Just look where you can comfortably. Work with your right shoulder, pushing it as far back as you can. Neutralize and relax.
Forward bend benefits. Releases stress and tension from the entire back area.
Place your hands on the floor and push them forward as far as you can, stretching your back comfortably. Do not raise your hips. To come out of the position, peel yourself back slowly and come back to starting position. Neutralize and relax.
Hip forward and back benefits. Brings movement in lower back and the hip. Releases tension in the lower back without the stress of gravity.
Lie on your right side, place a pillow underneath your head. Move your left leg back and forth as it stays well on your right leg. It's an isolated somatic movement. Move the leg back and forth only 5 times. Relax.
Lateral paddling benefits. Increases blood circulation in the legs, glutes and the spine. Releases tension in the lower back and hip. Cultivates self-healing.
Lie on your stomach. Place your hands underneath your head and keep your neck comfortable. Start to bend your knees and paddle your legs slowly. Raise the speed as you feel comfortable and keep paddling. Try and touch the ground with your toes. Now release Wriggle your hips side to side to relax.
Lateral tiger stretch benefits: promotes flexibility in the hip and the legs, strengthens the lower back muscles, releases lower back and hip strain.
Bring the knee up to your waist level and then straighten it out. Again, bring the knee straight up to your waist level and straighten it out. Repeat.
Modified boat pose benefits: improves posture, strengthens the back, the arms and the hamstrings, improves balance and focus, supports the digestive system.
Bring both knees in front of you and grab your thighs underneath. Try and balance on your hips. Release and rebalance. If you can hold, well and good, otherwise use your feet. Relax and neutralize.
Palm warming benefits: stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, supports comfort and serenity.
Bring your palms together, rub them vigorously and warm them up. Place your palms on your eyes and on your neck. Neutralize and relax.
Pelvic circle benefits: releases lower back pressure, hydrates the sacrum and the tailbone. Raise your spine straight up and now stir your spine around 3 times on the right side in a circular motion. Neutralize and relax. Seated back bend benefits: opens the chest region, supports the lung and the heart function, increases flexibility of the upper spine.
Place your arms behind you, your fingers pointing towards the back wall. Lift your chest as you raise your head up. Inhale, exhale slowly to neutralize and relax.
Seated cat and cow pose benefits: releases back muscle tension, relaxes the nervous system, strengthens the abdominal muscles, brings flexibility in the entire spine.
Bring your hands on your knees. Inhale, exhale, bring your head down, gaze towards the navel and round your back. Inhale up, straightening your back. Exhale, rounding your back, pushing your stomach muscles towards your spine, and neutralize and relax.
Seated dynamic breathing benefits: increases lung capacity, increases blood and oxygen circulation in shoulders, upper back and arms, cultivates calmness.
Sit comfortably on the floor. Interlace your fingers and bring your arms over your head as you face your palms towards the sky. Inhale up, exhale down. Neutralize and relax.
Seated half moon benefits. Opens and aligns the rib cage. Releases tension of the spine. Slims the waistline.
Raise both arms parallel to the ground. Lower your left arm and relax the elbow as you raise the right arm up towards the ceiling and straighten it, and now bring it in front of you on the floor. Take your forehead towards the knee. Come back up. Again, bring your arms parallel to the ground. Take your right arm on the floor, relax the elbow as you raise the left arm up towards the ceiling, and now bring it right in front of you on the floor, bringing your forehead towards the knee. Come back to a neutral position and relax.
Seated shoulder shrugs benefits. Increases blood circulation in the neck, shoulders and upper back. Reduces neck injury risk. Relaxes the cervical region.
Pinch your left shoulder to the left earlobe. Release. Pinch the right shoulder to the right earlobe. Release. Again, repeat 4 times on each side. Sit comfortably on the floor. Interlace your fingers and bring your arms over your head as you face your palms towards the sky. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up and exhale. Neutralize and relax. Bring your hands on your knees. Inhale. Exhale, bring your head down, gaze towards the navel and round your back. Inhale up, straightening your back. Exhale, rounding your back, pushing your stomach muscles towards your spine. And inhale up, look up. Exhale, look down, round your back and neutralize and relax. Pinch your left shoulder to the left earlobe. Release. Pinch the right shoulder to the right earlobe. Release. Again, repeat 4 times on each side. Interlace your fingers and bring them at chest level. Raise your right elbow and lower. Left elbow and lower. 2 right elbow lower. Left elbow lower. 3 right elbow lower. Left elbow lower. 4 right lower. Left lower. And relax. Raise both arms parallel to the ground. Lower your left arm and relax the elbow as you raise the right arm up towards the ceiling and straighten it, and now bring it in front of you on the floor. Take your forehead towards the knee. Come back up. Again, bring your arms parallel to the ground. Take your right arm on the floor, relax the elbow as you raise the left arm up towards the ceiling, and now bring it right in front of you on the floor, bringing your forehead towards the knee. Come back to a neutral position and relax. Raise your spine straight up and now stir your spine around 3 times on the right side in a circular motion. Repeat on the left side, circling your spine 3 times in a circular motion. Neutralize and relax.
Place your hands on the floor and push them forward as far as you can, stretching your back comfortably. Do not raise your hips. To come out of the position, peel yourself back slowly and come back to starting position. Neutralize and relax. Stretch your spine straight up and take your left arm as far behind as you can. Bring your right arm on the left knee. Look as far as you can comfortably without straining your neck. Work with your left shoulder, pushing it as far back as you can. Repeat on the other side. Twist towards the right side, taking your right arm as far back as you can. You do not have to strain your neck here. Just look where you can comfortably. Work with your right shoulder, pushing it as far back as you can. Neutralize and relax. Bring both knees in front of you and grab your thighs underneath. Try and balance on your hips. Release and rebalance. If you can hold, well and good, otherwise use your feet. Relax and neutralize. Place your arms behind you, your fingers pointing towards the back wall. Lift your chest as you raise your head up. Inhale, exhale slowly to neutralize and relax. Palm warming. Bring your palms together, rub them vigorously and warm them up. Place your palms on your eyes and on your neck. Neutralize and relax. Lie on your stomach, place your hands underneath your head and keep your neck comfortable. Start to bend your knees and paddle your legs slowly. Raise the speed as you feel comfortable and keep paddling. Try and touch the ground with your toes. Keep paddling. Increase the speed as you go along and you warm up. Now release. Wriggle your hips side to side to relax. Lie on your right side, place a pillow underneath your head. Move your left leg back and forth as it stays well on your right leg. It's an isolated somatic movement. Move the leg back and forth only 5 times. Relax. Bring the knee up to your waist level and then straighten it out. Again, bring the knee straight up to your waist level and straighten it out. Repeat. To repeat on the right side, lie down on your left side, place the pillow underneath your head. Move the right leg back and forth. Keep the leg resting on the left leg as you move it very, very gently back and forth. Repeat 5 times. To repeat for lateral tiger stretches, bring the knee up towards the waist level and push it straight out. Again, bring it up and straight out. Repeat 3 times. Modification is visible on the screen. Move into the final pose, Shavasana, by lying down on your back. You can place a pillow underneath your legs. Stay relaxed and calm. Take a nice deep breath into your belly, inhaling up, and exhale very, very slowly.
releasing all the tension. Breathe normally. We will breathe in for 3 counts. Inhale, 2, 3, hold, exhale, 2, 3, relax. We will breathe in for 3 and exhale for 6. Inhale, 2, 3, hold, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax. Relax your entire body, bringing your focus on your spine. Stay very calm and relaxed. You may continue with the relaxation.
You might be young and having discomfort in tying your shoelaces, whereas a 70-year-old might be able to touch his toes and spring back up. The spine tells us how old we are. The anatomical structure of the spine tells us that it has 2 sides, the anterior structure, which is the weight-bearing structure, and the posterior one, which allows the movement of the spine. The spinal movements are in 4 directions: forward bending, back bending, side bending, and twisting. With these spinal movements, our human body is able to move into all 3 planes.
Human body can experience movement on multiple planes. Firstly, the sagittal plane, which includes walking and squatting. Secondly, the frontal plane, which includes side kicks. Finally, the transverse plane, which is twisting.
There are not many exercises which combine all these 3 movements. Yoga is amongst one of them, the other being dance and gymnastics. As we grow older, we adapt lifestyle where our movements are limited. We are usually just sitting down with our body bending forward, head thrusted forward, and the spine rounded. The rounded action in the interior part of the spine keeps the disc under constant pressure. So over a period of time, we shorten the ligaments. Through our sedentary lifestyle, we ourselves take away the mobility and the flexibility of the spine. This program aims to bring fluidity into the spinal movements, which will help stimulate and relax the nerves. It will also strengthen your abdominal muscles as well as your back muscles. It relieves constipation and improves your digestive system. Overall, it oxygenates your body and helps your circulatory system. All these factors contribute to good health.